You're driving across the Golden Gate Bridge, radio playing something normal. Suddenly, the bridge shifts under your car, a loud metallic cracking sound. What if I told you, right now, every bridge in San Francisco is breaking underneath? Golden Gate, Bay Bridge, Oakland, all at once. No warning, no evacuation order. Get ready, because in the next few hours, this city is about to become an island with no way out. Level 1, the first crack. Your hands grip the wheel. The bridge's expansion joint groans from below. Not once, again and again. Engineers in the control room are confused. This failure isn't in any manual. Traffic control shuts the bridge down, but thousands of cars are already trapped on it. Your car is one of them. Expansion joints let bridges expand and contract with temperature and movement. When these joints fail together, it's not an isolated fault. It's a signal of systemic stress building for years. Level 2, the chain reaction. The same cracking sound starts on the Bay Bridge. Cable tension on the Richmond-San Rafael Bridge turns asymmetric. Authorities realize now, this isn't coincidence. Every bridge in the region is failing at once. Emergency phone lines jam, sirens everywhere, but no clear plan. Suspension bridges survive on cable tension. When one bridge's structural stress is linked to another, shared foundations, seismic waves, failure becomes a chain reaction.
Level 3, the city isolation. San Francisco is technically a peninsula, only bridges connected to the mainland. Now those bridges are falling. Only one route is left, 101 South, but it's already bumper to bumper. Ambulances can't get in, can't get out. You sit in your car and watch. The city is becoming its own trap. In urban planning, a single point of failure is dangerous. When a city's only entry and exit depends on limited infrastructure, that infrastructure failing locks down the entire city. Level 4, the supply chain crisis. Hours pass. Trucks carrying food and fuel can't cross. Hospital supplies start running out. Grocery store shelves go empty. People panic. Hoarding begins. You sit in your car thinking, how much fuel is left? Modern cities run on just-in-time supply chains, meaning stores don't hold much stock. New supplies arrive daily. When the transport route is cut, shortages hit within hours, not weeks. Level 5, the structural aftermath. A day passes. Investigation teams sift through the wreckage. What they find is terrifying. This wasn't a one-night failure. Metal fatigue, corrosion, years of undetected maintenance gaps. The bridges had been cracking under the surface for years. Nobody looked. You hear it on the news and it hits you. These were warning signs. They were there all along. Structural engineering failures rarely happen suddenly. Most are slow degradation over years, until one trigger pushes it past the breaking point. Final level, the cycle. Rebuilding begins. It takes years. New bridges go up, stronger, smarter, fitted with sensors. But the question stays stuck in your head. If a city this big, with engineering this advanced, can be isolated in just a few hours, then what does safe even mean? You step out of your car. The city looks the same, but something in you, your trust in bridges, in systems, might never come back. If you got trapped in a city with no way out, what would you do first?